welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing some Valentine's Day baking. So we're just starting off with some white muffins. So I just put in the mix, and I just got this from the bulk barn. Next we're going to be adding in some water. And then we're going to add in some vegetable oil. Now you could use coconut oil or even applesauce, whatever you prefer to use. And then now we're going to be adding in our 4 eggs. Now that that's all in, we're going to start mixing that up. So now that we've got that all mixed up, we're just going to add in some pink sprinkles, as this is a Valentine's Day muffin. And then next we're going to add in some chocolate chips, because what is a muffin without chocolate chips? I picked up these from the dollar store. I thought they were the absolute cutest and had to show you. So next we're going to be just filling up a mini muffin tray. And I just love to use these for the kids. They're just so small and simple that they don't make a huge mess, and it's not too big for them. And then the last bit of the batter I used in these silicone liners, and they're just heart-shaped. They worked perfectly and they looked super cute when they were done.
Hello everyone, we're making banana bread today for Valentine's Day. It's gonna be very guessful and helpful. And yummy! I hope you enjoy this video. Gayasaki yogi and gagajitsi. Youngio. We're going to cream together some butter, applesauce, sugar, white sugar, and brown sugar. Now we're gonna add some baking soda. Now we're gonna add cinnamon. Now we're gonna add salt. Now we're gonna put this in a bigger bowl. Now we're gonna get the dough in the tip. Now Mommy is going to do this part. We're going to oven next. We're going to add in some chocolate chips. How do I eat this? Now I'm gonna put them in the oven for 50 degrees.
350 degrees?
While they're baking, subscribe and like.
Thank you guys so much for watching our video. I hope it gave you some motivation for some baking. If not, then I just hope you enjoyed the video altogether. Stay tuned for next week as we'll be starting to stock up your freezer, starting with breakfasts, just some quick and easy meals to get you out the door. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you then. Bye for now.